Who came last night? There's Max's head. Who came last night? What do you think?
If we were all good, there should be presents from Santa Claus.
What
do you see, Max?
What's this present? No, this open like...
Let's see.
Let's open something else.
Let's open it. Cool. How'd you like your bike?
We forgot to get a stocking.
Oh, we did good.
Ben, give Max this green one. Come here.
My kitchen. No. No.
Benjamin, Santa brought it for you and Max to share.
Play with your kitchen. That's Max's toy. Put it right there? Okay.
So now we...
This says, Benjamin, from Santa.
Wow! Nice!
Nice. Pretty good, huh? Max is a good wrapper. Nice job, Max. Whoa. Awesome. Whoa, a different game. Candyland. Another board game. Thank you, buddy.
Now he's more.
What is it?
Show us. Oh my goodness.
Thing ever.
You like your kitchen? Shut it down.
And you got it from Santa.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yay, Max.
Cheese.
Oh, Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah.
So it's a Chuck E. Cheese video game?
You want to make that sandwich meat?
Max, you were opening one for Santa too. It was this one. Maxwell.
I almost dropped the camera. Sorry, everybody. No, you guys got
My dog
Hey.
like postal.
Hey, little boy.
Max is opening his. What's in yours?
Come on.
I'm going to take... Oh, he's opening his card.
Whoa, that's cool.
Flashlight.